Hi, my name is Emmanuel Mejia Martinez. I am a student in the school normal teacher Darío Rodríguez Cruz. The work is a pizza recipe. Ingredients to make homemade pizza: 1 kilogram of strong flour, 1 tablespoon fine salt, 2 cups warm water, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and 30 grams of fresh yard. Tips: Number 1. The firm digs we are going to the is mix the warm water with the fresh dates in a container. Number 2. When you have mixing dates with the water and the whole tablespoon of oil, mix well so that all the ingredients for the pizza are integral. Number 3. Before of preparation, cool down and the flour and salt to the large bowl. Arrange them in the shape of a volcano. Pour the previous mixture in the center. Number 4. Now is when you have a star kneading when until you notice that the homemade pizza dough is sticking to your hands and you can handle it with 2 problems. Number 5. When you have the full pizza dough ready, you will need to spade it in a lot to and cool into 4 partitions. The roll each partition in the bowl and cover with a clean clear cord. You should let rest for 5 minutes.